guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is the first time here, can you do to smash that subscribe button and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss out on any updates on my channel. So that was so much of a time, let's get right into the video of today. So guys, we have Kizz Daniel in the news, and like this saying, Kizz Daniel new banger don dey scatter everywhere. When I know say after Buga, everybody felt like, oh, Kizz Daniel took a break, but Kizz Daniel is back now with another jam, and this one is titled Cough aka Odo. This jam they really dey scatter everywhere. Kizz Daniel don't bring out new dance step like this, and this dance step it dey easy for those of us when be say we don't sabi dance at all, and these many dance challenges have just been coming up for this order, but the one that really caught my attention were these little kid dancers who were absolutely killing the new dance step. These children they really finish work for this jam. So guys, make sure you check these incredible little kid dancers because they are indeed incredible. I'm just going to allow you guys to enjoy the various clips. Of course, I'm going to play Kizz Daniel's dance step tutorial for this order.
I want to flex my love, I want to impress, I want to carry my love away to a place she loves. Die who, or die who, yeah, or die who, die who, die who, or die who, yeah. I want to flex my love, I want to impress, and I want to carry my love away. I'm die who, die who, or die who, yeah, or die who, die who, die who, yeah, or die who, die who, die who, or die who, yeah, or die who, die who. I want to flex my love, I want to impress, I want to carry my love away to a place she loves. I want to impress, and I want to carry my love away. Die who, or die who, yeah, or die who, die who, die who, yeah, or die who, die who.
Hey guys, I know say una enjoyed that video. I know say una dey smile like this as you watch that video. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss out on any update like this. I will bring more dance challenges for you guys concerning this Kizz Daniel Cough aka Odo when they trend worldwide like this. So my people, make una join this challenge because I might happen to post your video. You don't know wetin fit happen. It's been your boy Michael James, and I'll see you guys some other time. Peace out.